How's it going, everybody? Greg Kitchko here, and welcome back to the channel. This video is a complete time-lapse of my teardown of the 2004 CR250. If you guys are brand new to the channel, make sure you go watch the prior video on the full and complete teardown of the CR250. But this video is just a pure time-lapse, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the music, and enjoy this behind-the-scenes look at me moving around the camera and tearing down the 2004 CR250. Alright guys, so that is a wrap on this time lapse of the teardown of my 2004 CR250 for the Throwback Two Stroke Garage Build Shootout. If you guys saw the teardown of the RM250, where that thing was all crusty and rusty, the CR came apart way easier than that did. Unfortunately, I didn't have the final pieces of the teardown of the CR250 because I noticed that I had a strip bolt head on the front brake caliper, so it kind of threw me off and I forgot to press record on the camera again. So the front fender, the front wheel, forks, triple clamps, they all came off like a breeze, so super easy. You guys didn't miss much, and if you guys didn't know, this CR250 is going to be up for grabs in a raffle at the end of this project. I am working out those details right now, so make sure you punch the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned with all the details that come about that. But I got engines to take apart and videos to edit about that, so until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!